Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to organize your wardrobe and keep your clothes and accessories tidy and in order, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be talking about the 1pc-Wardrobe Closet Cabinet Organizers Home Organization Underwear Bra Socks Panty Storage Boxes Drawer Divider Home Dormitory. This wardrobe organizer is brand new and of high quality, so you can trust that it will last you a long time. It's designed to save space, while also being beautiful and practical. With this organizer, you can effectively manage the partition of your items, keeping everything clean and tidy. If you're tired of rummaging through your wardrobe every morning, searching for your favorite bra or pair of socks, then this organizer is the solution for you. It's perfect for keeping your underwear, bras, socks, and panties in order, so you can easily find what you need without any hassle. Not only does it keep your small items organized, but it also helps maximize the available space in your wardrobe, making it a perfect solution for those living in dormitories or small homes. So, if you're ready to take the next step towards a more organized and efficient wardrobe, then click on the link in the description to purchase your own 1pc-Wardrobe Closet Cabinet Organizers Home Organization Underwear Bra Socks Panty Storage Boxes Drawer Divider Home Dormitory. Trust me, once you start using this organizer, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Don't wait any longer, get yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great organizing tips and product reviews.